Hi guys, there was a question on Discord today about wallpapers. So yes, you can add ArcoLinux wallpapers to your personal connection. That's no problem. Even so, there is even a better tip, and that's of course unknown to people who are new to the system. But we have a bunch of wallpapers, and there's a great artist called Submicron who donated a lot and lots of wallpapers to us. How to get your Submicron wallpapers back and install the new mirror list for pacman.conf. So this used to be one of our repositories, and it's still out there if you know where it is. So this is where it is. That's all from us, but that's, well, over time, right? Wallpapers get dull because, yeah, you've seen like for 2-3 years by now, and then things, well, are not interesting anymore. And look at all these wallpapers we can install afterwards. So the video is here. Just wanted to make again a tutorial. This time we have a tweak tool, so we could go inside the tweak tool rather than going to pacman.conf. I'll show them both, because relying on a tool, a graphical user interface, right, we can do it by code, and we should be able, should not be afraid of the terminal. So it's down here where we all say, look, the packages, the shop, the ArcoLinux shop, it starts with 94. That's where it starts. And the ArcoLinux shop starts up here. And it can be a beta tested, but just by deleting these three things, and you get the latest versions in. And let's add now, not by typing, because yeah, we could actually probably, I don't know, Control-Shift-V, yeah, we can. So Control-Shift-V, it's in there by now, right? I'm not gonna save it. I'm gonna show it like this here, to the shop, add custom repo to pacman.conf, Control-V, and then apply custom repo, settings saved successfully, but better check. 1N, come on. My fingers are too cold to type. And we scroll down. What do we see? The same copy paste, of course, because this is just what it is. Pass through a GUI graphical interface to put it in here. Now comes the magic. If, and of course, big if you update, you get the new databases in. And this is because, well, everything changes over time. There are lots of updates, and we're newer. This is a good thing. This is newer than what I have is newer than the database that's coming now from here. Let's include that in the video as well. So I've been playing around with servers, and you can do as well, and say, okay, I don't want this one, so this one seems to be, well, servers, they sync, right? They sync, and over time, over the world is round, and one server is slower, faster, and so on. There are differences between servers. So there you go, everything is now okay for me. And what I'll do now is have a look. What can we install? What can we install? Sudo pacman -s, and it was shown there with, here they are, with pacman, so I'll with pamac, I mean, I will show you that as well. So if you go and type wallpapers, probably, because you don't know the name is Submicron, you'll end up with all the wallpapers you have and every little resolution that's available. And sometimes it doesn't really matter if your resolution is not in there, it's just gonna crop and stretch and all that, and it's gonna be good. Just choose something that's close to yours, and all these guys can now just be installed. Well, let's see, I have 1920 on 1080, so that's this one. So it means I have one up here that I can just install, apply, to apply. So of course, you can do the same here, sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux wallpapers Submicron, and then you see the list and choose one. All right, what did we now install? Right mouse click, open desktop settings. These are standards folder, but there's a new folder now. Backgrounds, there's ArcoLinux wallpapers, Submicron, and so on. Open. And these are the guys, can we make this bigger? These are the guys that are in. Actually, I should make it smaller, right? So lots of choices. But like I said, I mean, some of them are in my personal collection, like this one I like very much. Some people say, Eric, it's ugh, you know, life in a bottle. So wallpapers is something very personal. It's anyway amazing what Submicron can create. And this is another range of wallpapers that you can install. All right, I am out. Enjoy, guys.